Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing milfordmanchester.com. But before we get into the review, since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the description down below for the link, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right here guys, that we have it here open up on their website. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a store that sells clothing for summer. So I'm just gonna say this right off the bat that this website is more than likely a scam, since as you can see from this lady right here, there are multiple images of this lady in different websites that have the exact same layout as this one. So as you can see, these images right here are AI generated, which is very obvious. So as you can see, these images also are AI generated, and this image is very low quality. And if we go to here to Trustpilot and see that they're rated 2.5 out of 5 stars, which is poor. And let's read some reviews here. So good quality item, 5 stars. Useless, now never, not even 1 star really. This company is a scam. Fraudulent trading, not as advertised. Do not buy from this company. Do not use this company. Sent the wrong item. Stay clear. Ordered 2 items, 1 star. Please do not use this website. Bad line, online retail experience. So most of them, or a lot of them, are 1 star guys, saying that they're a scam. So please guys, do not order from this site if you want legit products or legit clothing. I advise you to just go buy from the mall or shopping center or whatever. And that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.